Today I'm going to show you how to design and style pop-up forms in Mailchimp step by step so you can create a clean, branded form that actually fits your website and your offer. Pop-up forms are one of the easiest ways to grow your email list, promote a discount, and capture leads without needing any extra software or complicated setup. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Mailchimp tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Mailchimp account and head over to the dashboard. From there, look for the Create button and click it. This is where Mailchimp lets you start building different types of marketing content, including forms and campaigns. Once you click Create, you'll see a drop-down menu. Find the Sign Up Form option and click that next. This is important because pop-up forms are part of the Sign Up Form tools inside Mailchimp. After that, click Pop-up Form. Mailchimp will now take you into the Pop-up Form Builder. On the next screen, click Create Pop-up Form. This begins the actual setup process for your new lead capture form. At this point, Mailchimp may ask what you would like to offer. You'll see different options depending on your goal, like discounts, free shipping, or other incentives. For this tutorial, I'm selecting discount because that is one of the most common and effective ways to encourage people to sign up. Once you choose your offer, Mailchimp will show you a selection of templates. Take a moment to browse through them and choose one that matches your brand style and the kind of website you have. A good template should be simple, clean, and easy for visitors to understand at a glance. After selecting your template, click Create Form. Mailchimp will now open the editor so you can start customizing your pop-up. Now comes the part where you make it look professional. Inside the editor, you can edit the form accordingly to match your branding. Start with the logo if you want to add one, because a logo instantly makes the pop-up feel more official and recognizable. Then update the header text so it clearly tells visitors what the offer is. For example, if you're offering a discount, your headline should make that benefit obvious right away. Keep it short, clear, and attention-grabbing. After that, review the rest of the form fields and styling options. Make sure the colors, fonts, buttons, and spacing all fit your brand. If Mailchimp gives you options to change the button text or form message, adjust those too so the pop-up feels polished and easy to act on. The goal is to make the form look good, but also make sure it converts well. A strong pop-up is simple, focused, and easy for people to complete. Once your design looks right, click Save and Review. This is your chance to go through everything carefully before the form goes live. Check the headline, the offer, the layout, and any text or button labels. Make sure there are no spelling mistakes and that the pop-up displays the way you want it to. If something looks off, go back and fix it before publishing. When everything looks good, click Publish. That will make your pop-up form active and ready to display on your website. From this point on, visitors will be able to see your Mailchimp pop-up and sign up through the offer you created. And that's it. You've now designed and styled a pop-up form in Mailchimp from start to finish. If this tutorial helped, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more Mailchimp tips, marketing tutorials, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.